Hello, today we are solving Jan 2023 Unit 2 question number 2 Part B, okay, Part B question and Part 3 question. Here this is a journal entry for the creation of retained earnings. So it is saying the profit for the year 31st December 2022 was around 11 million. So this is transferred to the retained earnings. So this is a journal entry for retained reserves, okay, retained earnings. So you are going to indicate that. So the two things that's going to get affected is statement of profit or loss, and then you have retained earnings. So the 11 million, okay, you will debit and then you will credit the retained earnings, okay, 11 million. So this is the journal entry for the